What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is a little bit of a different one, but when you've got an example of something that you've been saying for a while, you show it to the class. So here we go. We're live streaming on the Sawyer Custom Gaming channel, playing Final Fantasy XIV. We do this nightly pretty much with an open mic for anybody that's got any kind of mechanical questions. They want to do moto talk, they want to do music talk, they want to do anything. The gaming channel is my, hey, let's go hang out with Randy kind of channel. So I will sit there, and if I'm in the middle of a dungeon, as anybody that plays video games knows, if you're in the middle of something, that is not the perfect time to ask somebody a question, but the question can still be addressed while I'm not really paying attention to what's going on in game. As we're sitting there, we're playing around in game. It's a full opportunity for anybody to pop in if they've got mechanical questions or just want to talk shop, to just come in and start talking. They got questions, throw the questions out there, and I will address them. Got a guy from California. I helped him a while back with the Banshee build. Now, it's been a while. He found me on Facebook, turned around, got a hold of me on Twitch, because we are streaming on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube at this point in time. So if you're on any one of those three platforms, go there, look for Sawyer Custom Randomness or Sawyer Custom. You will find me. Look for the most active channels. I will be there. Down in the description below will be links to Discord and all kinds of different places that I am alive. I maintain, I monitor, I talk to people over. We have a Discord channel. If you don't know what Discord is, it doesn't apply to you. But if you know what Discord is, we can join the Discord channel and do voice over IP chats. Go back and forth and talk, like real talk, not just type and wait for me to reply in 15 seconds because of the delay in the stream. But this is really cool because we can turn around, and as you guys ask questions, I can jump out of game, pull up the internet, pull up any kind of information that you need, information that I need, something that helps us get to a conclusion of the problem. Last night, guy showed up, said he bought some ATC 70s. Was having some problems with the 70s, so he sent me some pictures over Messenger so I could see what he was dealing with. And turned around, we went online, went to Partzilla, went to Google, we found a wiring schematic. We looked at Partzilla and said, what does the stator look like? We discovered that there was multiple wires coming out of the stator. He only had 2 wires coming out of the stator. I wasn't sure if the 70s in 1985 had gone to a solid state pickup coil or if they were still running points. Come to find out through Partzilla, because we looked, they didn't change the stator assembly. It's points, and if you know anything about points, they've got to be set correctly, and they've got to be clean. If they're not set correctly and timed correctly, your spark will not spark when it needs to spark. So therefore, the bike will not start. Or it'll be really hard to start, or it'll run like crap. Really depends on how close you are or how far away you are to the actual timing. Flywheels have a T and an F on them for a reason. T is top dead center, F is fire. They make degree wheels that you can put on these things so you can actually dial stuff in. Now, granted, a lot of this stuff's got keyways on it, so you can't dial it in much. But if you're dealing with points in particular, you can change them around a little bit. Solid state pickup coils, it's just a magnet. When the close piece on the flywheel goes past it, it picks it up. Not a whole lot you can do. Those are usually hard mounted and don't go anywhere. You can bend them in and out to make them pick up a little bit harder or weaker, depending upon what the air gap is. But other than that, you really can't adjust the timing. They do make offset keyways, but the motor was designed to run how it was built. It wasn't designed to run with an offset keyway. So my thing with this guy was timing. I was all about timing. He had compression. Granted, it was only 90 pounds, but an internal combustion chamber engine needs 75 pounds at minimum to run. If it's got 70 or less, yes, sometimes you can pull start them, but that's kind of cheating. That's not starting it under its own power. So yeah, you can get a little bit of extra time with low compression, but this is not what we do. You get low compression, you rebuild the top end, you get a great running bike again. And lots of time to play with it as long as you maintain it correctly. So we're going back and forth. We're looking at different wiring schematics. We're looking at Partzilla. We're comparing. Me and Mike are going back and forth, trying to figure out what's going on. He sent me a couple of pictures, as I said earlier. And one of the pictures, after we went back and forth for a while, had a jumped wire in it. Now, we were mainly concerned about the dead green wire off the stator, because in the schematic, it didn't even have a plug in it. Kind of showed that it didn't go anywhere. Now, I know Honda green is ground most of the time, so I was saying just ground it, turn around. The neutral safety switch was not the green wire we were looking for. There's another dark green wire versus a green wire. Love how they do that. If you're colorblind, electrical is not your thing by any means. So more back and forth and back and forth. And yes, he found a wire that was jumped, a couple other problems. So at the end of our conversation, he had directions to go, stuff to check. It was late. I mean, it was almost 1 o'clock my time. So yeah, it was late. He wanted to go, had other stuff to do. Life happens. We know this. Anytime you guys can pop into the streams is a great time. It's not like how long you hang out makes a difference to me. I'm just glad you came in and said hi. It makes me feel good to know people are getting value from the content that I am bringing them. Now, I look at a lot of the videos, and I know there's not a lot of views on a lot of the videos. I understand the video quality is not amazing video quality. I understand the voiceover is not spot on. It's me, guys. It's just me. I don't have an editor. I don't have an audio guy. It's been me since I started the channel 11 years ago. You get me. I'm transparent. I say I'm transparent. I show you guys transparency. I don't hide things. I try not to pull punches. Yeah, I'll talk smack just as quick as the next person. I'm a mechanic. I was raised that way. If you're a mechanic, you know that's how we roll. We will be the first guys to shoot a shot of brake clean down the crack that's shown in somebody's butt when they're freaking bent over a car, just for laughs. You flip that can over, you make it a little bit cold. Oh, they scream like a little girl. It is funny as can be. Yes, mechanics are pranksters. We love practical jokes. We love having fun. We're big kids. My uncle came over the other day. He's pushing, let's see, I'm going to be 50 next year. He was 14 when I was born, so he's pushing 65. And he even said, it's in the genetics, guys. I've got the mentality of a 15, 16-year-old. I don't like alcohol, so 18 or 21, it's not a critical age for me. But yeah, got the mentality of a teenager, got the body of a 50-year-old. My brain says, let's go do this. The body says, yeah, not so much. We'll regret this later if we even manage to get it done in the first place. Yay, age. I'm making these videos. I'm trying to get the information out there. I'm trying to help people grow as mechanics by giving some tips and tricks. I was always told, save the secrets, don't share the secrets. Well, if you don't share the secrets go away. So I'm here to share the secrets, give you guys some ride videos, help give you some comedy maybe, show you guys all the different stuff that we get to play with around here, show you that you're lucky if your bike's got the hours on it that it does, because we've got a lot of snapped rods and blown pistons and all kinds of videos. These motors just not holding together. Everybody rides different. Everybody owns different things. They maintain it differently. There's so many differences that you really can't say one thing is set in stone, aside from you got to change the oil every once in a while, you got to change the spark plug, you got to clean the air filter, because if you don't, it's going to cost you more money sooner than later. Pretty simple math. So I'm trying to spread the knowledge, pass it out to whoever wants it, whoever's interested, trying to entertain you guys, trying to make these videos somewhat engaging. I'm still trying to learn how to be engaging in these videos. If you've got ideas for me, let me know. Comments are critical. They help the creators progress. They help creators create new content that you might like watching. I know if I'm on the R every day, making videos of me riding on the same track, hitting the same jumps, riding the same bike all the time, you guys are going to get bored. Then again, I see TikTok videos of people just firing their bike up and walking around it with the camera with thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views. And I'm scratching my head going, why do I only have 30 and you've got that much? And I don't, the algorithm is the algorithm is the algorithm. It hates me. Help battle the algorithm monster. Share the videos, comment, at least hit the like button. Subscriptions are awesome. We do have channel memberships. That's going the extra step to help support the creator. If you're paying the membership fees, then the creator's going to get a portion of that, regardless of what the videos do. That is the great thing about memberships and your little donation buttons and stuff like that. That directly goes to the creator. There's no limit on you need to get so many hours of watch time, you need to get so many views on this particular video, blah, 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 all that fun creator nonsense. You've got a membership. Somebody's giving you money. It's appreciated. They appreciate what you do. And of course, the creators appreciate every member that they get, because without the memberships, they can't improve their videos. In order to improve videos, you've got to buy high-dollar cameras. You've got to buy audio equipment. Well, because of my music channels, I don't have to worry about the audio equipment. We pretty much got that stuff covered. But the cameras, on the other hand, we're running off an iPhone, sometimes GoPros. Other than that, a Logitech 922 stream camera. I mean, yeah, this is not high tech. This is not high dollar. If we had the revenue coming in from the views, then yeah, that would be a different story. But it is what it is. We work with what we got. We try and help everybody. We try and entertain people. If you like the stuff, I really appreciate it. I hope this video kind of shows how we help people out. I mean, they just pop in the stream. Hey, I got this question. As you see, I'm flipping around on the internet and going back and forth. You can see me. I got my glasses on because I'm going blind, trying to look at my phone, trying to figure things out, because that's what we got to do around here. Helping people. That's what it's all about. Helping people, helping people, helping people. So if you want to be part of the community, jump into live streams, come hang out, chat in the comments. Let's have some laughs, have some fun together. See if you can get me off the game and roaming around the internet trying to find different things. It's called Distract the Streamer. It's always a fun game. As always, appreciate everybody watching the video as far as they can. Don't forget that subscribe button, comments, likes, bell notification, all that fun stuff. I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a great day.